It has been 12 minutes since the, about 12 to 15 minutes since somebody pulled a fire alarm. I'm en route back to the hotel. This is mass chaos here. I'm heading back to the hotel. I'm gonna try to go up if they let me. I'm going to the second floor. I'm going to get another view of this. So, this is massive chaos. This is the Sheraton right now. There's utter chaos right now. This is going to be the most interesting Otakon yet so far. I'm going across the street here.
Behind me, we're like, hey, can you take off
So here it is from afar. So there's mass chaos. Trying to cross the street here.
Go!
I'm gonna cut here real quick. I'm gonna try to get a clip of the evacuation on Sky Bridge. So I'm gonna cut now. Well, I'm at the other side here. Otakon staff is not letting anybody cross to the convention center right now. It is currently blocked off all sides. I'm going back down to the hotel right now. Check it with everyone. To see, if you look closely, you can see the lights at the convention center still blinking. Everybody is still evacuating. So I'm back down the side where I was earlier. This is the mass chaos. When we get to the room, hopefully, I'm going up to the hotel. I'm going to the second floor. Get a glimpse here. So preliminary conclusions are the convention center security here as well. They're being evacuated as well. Going in that direction. Massive it is right now. So I know what's going on right now.
Red tower end. Fucking evacuation. Yeah.
hotel is also up right now. This is, I'm going up from the main lobby to the second floor now, so.
And because it's a mentality.
It's about like hobos who live under a bridge.
It's turned to a mini dealer's room.
I'm gonna be cosplaying as Hoshi and we have
So the second floor. I'm gonna head back to the room. It's too dangerous.
That would have been a really good idea.
Artist Alley. I wasn't sure if that was the actual Artist Alley or the actual workshop.
Funny enough, I think I laid this up to Pat. Everyone outside in Baltimore now thinks that Otakon is 4 times larger because these streets are flooded with people.
Right.
Yeah. I was just about to get lunch.
What, this people were allowed back inside the center?
But
Oh, this one's going down. Yeah, that's going down. It's going up. Has room for one more?
Universal symbol for I see what you did there.
Okay, this is Johnny again. I am in the room safely. Jelena and Do-young are here with me. And this is the view from the 12th floor of the Sheraton Inner Harbor. This is the back towards the dealer's room. There's people being told... Looks like they've just been told to go back in the convention center? No. The entire convention center is still being evacuated. You see from here. Hey, put the news, see what's going on. Yeah, so right now this is from the room, the hotel room. Everybody's being evacuated. What a perfect setting. Otakon 2010 thus far. 4, 5, 6 hours into the con, somebody pulled the alarm. So this is, we'll be in here for a couple hours. Do-young's playing GTA. So here we go.